get your brother, would you? Go get your brother. Hey, go get your brother. Go get Guinness. Go get Guinness. No, I just want love. No. Guinness isn't my concern. Zeppelin, go get your brother. Guinness. Why don't you play with your brother? Bernie. Hello, Hayden. Hello. Oh, my two babies. Oh, Tyson. Bernie, what do you have on you? Did you get slobbered? Tyson. Bernie. Bernie. Bernie.
See what you're doing, trouble. I see it.
Oh, stop. Ow. That hurt. I got boo-boo.
Oh, you're beating me with your tail. I hate it. Easy, everybody. Oh, do I have a seat?
Yeah.
Rob, alcohol.
Whoa, dude. Bernie, come. Come here. Bernie. Bernie, come here. Bernie, come here. First of all, let me get the slobber off your face. There. No better? Yeah. Oh, no. Really got you. Huh. What, Shakir? Love me. Love me. What is it, Hopper? I brought. Bernie, stop. Brock. Easy. What are you doing? Huh? Trouble? Are you trouble? Are you trouble? Huh? Are you trouble? Really? Sydney! This is pretty much the first time. No, you're not eating the camera. Oh, Sydney, my sweet girl. Shakira, what are you doing? You're not eating the camera. Stop it. I'm not letting you eat the camera. Oh, kiss you. Fine. Space.
Tyson, Bernie.
What's it? Sleepy. Well, Hayden. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Yes. I have a hairball stuck in my lip. Good? Ooh. Are you being good? Oh. Oh, Tice. Oh.
Hey, Rob, what are you doing?
Go play. Go in. Play. Really? Mia, what are you doing? Hello, Baze. Hello, Baze. Ooh, you feel good? You feel good? He's a good boy? Hayden, poor baby. Thank you for the kisses. Oh! What do you think, Reese? Liking it? Good? Shakir, you sound kind of girly. Reese? Hey. Oh my goodness, really? You think so? You're getting awful pushy there, darling. Yeah? You're getting awful pushy when you want love. Bernie, you're too big to go under my legs. You're too big. Oh my goodness, really? Oh, really? Really? Grace. What do you think you're doing? You're such a goof. Really? Reese, you're alright. Yes? Oh, I don't think so. Just sparring.